Hey guys, this is my very first vlog. I'm about to currently do a haul, but before I do that, I'm going to rewind and show y'all how I started today off. Hey guys, so I'm just going to be doing this get ready with me. I just literally woke up, so I don't have really much in store for today, but I'm just going to show you what I do on a normal day-to-day basis. I'm going to start out with moisturizing my face, and I'm just using the Clinique Moisture Surge Gel. Next, I'm just going to go in with this Smashbox Photo Ready Primer, and I'm just going to put this mostly in my T-zone. Now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild foundation. Now I'm going to dip into this banana shade here and just set under my eyes and in my T-zone so that I don't crease all day long. This is just an everyday makeup look. This is my first vlog, so I'm excited. Y'all, I slept wild. Look at this hair. Oh well. Now with this big blending brush and some Estee Lauder powder, I'm just gonna set my whole face. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara. My camera battery is about to die, so if it dies, I will be back. Now I'm going to go fix this hair, and I will see y'all outside. Okay guys, so it's much later in the day, and I am outside. I'm going to get some stuff ready at my house. I bought one flower that I'm going to pot, and some decor outside. So I'm going to do a little montage of me doing this. This is what I've done. This flower here is from a secret sister at church. That one right there. It like has a solar panel on it right there, and when the sun hits it, this little bulb lights up, and at night it's very beautiful. And then I have my little thing I got today at Lowe's, a flag. This pretty plant here I got a while back from Walmart. This one here I got today, and a matching one in that one. Don't mind this little plant here. It is from my grandmother, and I'm surprised it's still living. She found it, gave it to me to try to keep alive, and it's still alive somehow. There's an aloe vera plant, and then here are my husband's 2 tomato plants, and there are no tomatoes on them. So okay guys, now that I got my pictures hung and some of my flowers planted that I got today, I'm going to show y'all everything else that I got today. This may be kind of boring. It's from Walmart and Lowe's, so I just figured I'd show y'all everything that I got. I know I told you earlier that this is my first vlog, but I'm going to tell you again. It's my first vlog. I usually do all things like makeup, and I love doing that, but I also like to talk a lot, so maybe vlogs will work out too. Okay, now that y'all watched that, I'm just going to show y'all the stuff that I got today. I went to Walmart and to Lowe's, and I went with my grandmother. I got these Purina, it's called Busy Bones, but they're like soft bones. They don't have, They don't have any of the rawhide in them, and it's made with real meat. So I only got 2 because I have 2 doggies, and I want to see if they like them before I buy the big pack. So I got these, and I can't wait to see if they like them. Okay, next I got all these little drinks. They're called Body Armor Super Drinks. They're not energy drinks. They don't have any caffeine. Anyways, it says it is natural. It has electrolytes, potassium, 700 milligrams, coconut water, vitamins, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, and vitamins A, C, and E. So, my husband drank one of these the other day whenever he got to work, and he said it made him feel so much better. And then we have not been able to find them, so we went to a different town today, and I got 5 of them. I got 1 of the strawberry banana because that's all that was left. I got 1 watermelon strawberry because I know people like that. I got 2 fruit punch because I know he likes fruit punch. And I got tropical punch because I know that if you don't like it, I will. Okay, so before I show you this next thing, at where I work, we have like a candy drawer, and we have one lady who always brings candy, so I always eat it. So I decided I should bring some too, that way, because if I eat it, I feel like I should contribute. So I'm gonna put that in this bag and carry it to work with me on Monday. The next things that I got make me so happy. I got the Ardell, what are they called? 601 black lashes. I want to try some of those. I got these lashes. They are the Kiss blowout lashes. Let me see. They're called Pixie, and they're more like of a wispy lash. I don't know if y'all can tell. I got this Wet n Wild highlighter, because the Walmart near me does not have Wet n Wild anymore for some reason. Oh yeah, they do. They do have Wet n Wild. They just don't have their highlighters. So this Walmart that I went to is a lot bigger. I really want to swatch this. Let me see. This one is in the shade 3021B Precious Petals. I wonder how to look on my face. Can y'all say that? Maybe this side. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, I see it. Ooh, and I don't even have on that much makeup. And last but not least, I got this, what is it called? Picture hanger assortment, and it comes with like, this amazes me. I saw this the other day, somebody had it, some lady that I work with, she had one, and I was thinking, they make kits to hang stuff up with? I had no idea. I swear I didn't. So it has these larger nails here and the smaller nails there, and then it even has tinier nails in there, than like the tinier ones than those. And then it has all these attachments you can actually put on to what you're hanging up, so that if you don't like the clasp on the back of the picture you're hanging, then you can make your own clasp with this kit, and it just makes everything so much easier. I just did it. And then I don't know if y'all can tell. I hung those right there, and oh daggone, I have this little situation rigged up here. There. Okay. And it even has wire that you can attach, like the hanger, the decor that has 2 attachments at the top corners. If you don't want to have to line your nails up perfectly to hang that picture, you can hang the wire from each clasp and then just nail into the wall and hang it on the nail with the wire. If this makes any sense, good. If it doesn't, I'm so sorry. So I got this. It was $10 at Lowe's, and it's probably the best $10 I've ever spent in my life. I believe that's everything that I got today. Sorry, this is so random, and I showed y'all a little bit of my groceries too. Oh, hang on. I saw these little doggy vitamins, and it has a border collie on the front, and that's what my Lily is. Hers is a border collie. These are the Total Wellness vitamins. Right there it says Total Wellness. They also had some that said joint support or something like that. So let me, ooh, that stunk. Let me see the instructions. It says a dog 5 to 24 pounds, 1 treat per day, 25 pounds to 74 pounds, 2 treats per day. So both of my dogs are in the second range there. So I'm only going to give her 1 though. I don't want her to not like it or something. Leo, come here. Come here. Come here. Is it so good? Is it good? Do you recommend it? Do you recommend it? Is that so good? I love you. Okay, I may put in a clip when Hunter gets home and I may not, so if I don't, bye. Thank y'all so much for watching my first vlog. I hope y'all liked it. Sorry if it's a little scattered. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. It's a little bit hard, but yeah, I hope y'all liked it and hope y'all have a good day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye y'all.